Okay, for today's video, you're not gonna be needing all of your pencils at home. You're just gonna be needing one pencil and an eraser and some papers to create an amazing art. It is impossible that you doesn't have a pencil at your home. You can find it at your closet, yeah, or at your drawers. You can even plant a pencil lead to have a new pencil, just like this. Wait for a second and
2,000 years later.
boom, you have a pencil. Now you can now create an art using that pencil and try to smile because you have a new one.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
It's time to stop!
And we are gonna be doing the one pencil only challenge. I don't know if this is a challenge, but this will be also a tutorial for you. Yes, if you're a beginner artist, you don't need that many pencils to create an art. You don't need to spend that much to create an amazing art. All you need is a pencil and an eraser. Yes, I'm gonna be teaching you how to shade and also how to create an amazing artwork. So let's start the video.
Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Help us grow our channel, guys. Let's go. So for this shading, you're gonna be needing some sketch first because I'm gonna be teaching you on how to shade. There's different types of shading, guys. You can use the cross hatching. The cross hatching, it is basically just drawing lines. It's called only hatching if you're not crossing it. Yeah, that's why it is called cross hatching. The other types of shading which is testing your pressure. So the more you apply pressure, the darker will the shade will get. Okay, you're gonna be needing that. The heavy pressure it will get, the darker the shade will you have. You can do this, guys, or you can just, I recommend you guys to put your hands on the edge of the other side of the pencil so you can apply pressure not that much, as you can see I am doing right now. If you want to have a darker shade, just go back to the dark part and again shade it again. Okay, so we're gonna be applying it on the drawing. Okay, we're going back to the drawing. Here is my sketch of Luffy from One Piece, as you can see. For the outline, just use the pressure of your hand just to outline the drawing. As you can see, guys, we are done for the outline of the eyes. Here you can now test your pressure, how you put it in the drawing. Now we are gonna be applying the shadows in the eyes. Okay, as you can see, guys, I've left a white area here because that's the highlight, guys. Okay, and also, guys, when applying the outline, you don't need to put so much pressure on the outline, guys, because if we're gonna be erasing it, it's so hard to erase. As you guys can see, there is all a line there. Wait, I'm gonna focus it. When you're erasing it, so it will gonna be look messy. So instead, you're gonna be outlining as soft as you can. Okay, do not apply so much pressure, but it depends on what you are drawing, guys. Okay, basically we're gonna be doing the same as we did to the other eye. Okay, okay, guys, as you can see, I am now applying the other outlines on the face and adding the details before shading it, so I will never forget its position. Okay, for the shading part, you're gonna be shading it all. Do not add so much pressure to it. We're gonna be erasing the highlights, guys. Add now the dark parts. Apply pressure to have a depth on your drawing.
Ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew.
Okay, guys, I have a tip on you. The closer you get to the tip of the pencil, the harder you can have your pressure. So you could practice, and now we're gonna be erasing the highlights. And now layer again. Now see the depth of the drawing. So we're gonna be continuing it. I'm gonna time lapse. Okay, as you can see, guys, we are now done with the face. Just like the process I've told you a while ago. You are just gonna be needing one pencil to create this. Okay, if you want to upgrade, you can buy this, a blending stamp. You can upgrade yourself. It depends on you if you are pursuing drawing. But if you want to practice, all you need is a pencil and an eraser and the paper. So we're gonna be finishing the drawing. So let's go.
And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place.
Guys, as I was drinking my coffee, I've noticed something. We are making Luffy from One Piece, and my t-shirt is also Luffy from One Piece. No, I'm just sharing it to you guys because I've noticed it. But I've also drawn Ace. This is also a tutorial. I'm gonna be putting the link down below on the description. Just click it, watch it, and support our channel. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below what should I do next. So let's go back to the video.
Got me holding, play me like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mash me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord.
Okay, guys, I think we are done. Yeah, the one pencil art tutorial and also a challenge. Yeah, I think we're pretty much done. So this is John from DrawStudios30. Hope you like this video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and turn the bell notification on. So enjoy.